Hello, my beloved Me and Max teachers. Hope you all doing well. Today we're going to start a new thing. New month, new beginnings. I'm pretty sure all of you would have guessed what it is, but let me just unveil it again for you. Okay? It is nothing but it is a star performer hunt. We are starting the star record system for a long time, but from this week, this today, we will be starting the star performer hunt. Okay. Starting with recognizing star student and recognizing star teacher. Star student means we will be having few criterias. I'll explain it quickly. The first one is the class stars, which contains 4 stars every day, and then the homework stars, 10 stars for every day, that is Monday to Saturday based on the homework. Then is the weekly assessment stars, 20 stars per assessment. So all together it is 92 stars. Class stars will be allotted based on the student's performance, the behavior, asking doubt, clearing the doubts, overall performance of the student in the class. If the student is absent, then obviously it's a 0. Next, the homework stars, we know we will get it through the performance, to the marks the student is gaining when we are sharing the quizzes app. Same thing goes for the weekly assessment. Now we will add all these 3. It comes up to the maximum of 92 stars. Now we will check who's the first runner-up, second runner-up, and finally recognizing the star student of the week. Star student of the class is also there every day. For every class, when we are considering the star students' marks, right? Like students' performance in each classes. Then we can tell then and there itself that who is the star student of the day. And then the week is the maximum, like we are calculating the addition of all these 3 criteria. Maximum is 92. For this, we will be checking who has got the maximum star student, and then the first runner-up, second runner-up. Hopefully, there are so many competitors that for every stage, every phases, that is star student of the week, so many students are there. Okay. Now, like I said, it's a teamwork. Not just for students, it's for teachers also. So teachers here, we will be getting the star, recognizing as star teacher based on the student's average score. That is, if there are more than, suppose there are 8 students you're teaching, 3 of them are very good, 3 of them are there even in the top 3 of the star student chart. But that doesn't mean that you will be the star teacher. All of your students must be involved in the attempting the homework, because that's when average is taken. So this way, the student and teacher both will be motivated towards a goal. Now we have a goal in front of us: star student, star teacher. So let's go towards the goal by encouraging the students to practice more. That is, do start doing homeworks every day basis. And then we have the feedback update. I'm sure like students' performance is there. Along with that, we should also be giving update. You would have seen there is a link tagged in the Teachers Hub, where every day after every regular batches, you must be giving the updates on the topic which was done, how much the classes were completed, and the content was good, how was the student's performance. Everything is there in the update. So I request you to fill it after every regular batches. And then the batch competition. This is a slight surprise for you. We'll be doing a quick competition between all the teachers and students. Now, apart from that, suppose grade 5, there are 3 teachers taking the classes. Granted, they are taking different kinds of topics, but there will be competition for the top. There will be a test for the students at the end of every week on the topic they have done. So that way, the teachers will be competing amongst themselves. Now you will have to motivate the students to take up the test, get good marks. So right now, both teachers and students, we are both motivated in achieving that goal. I hope let's achieve more and more students are there, more and more teachers are there competing for that position. Thank you.